Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, a diamond style grille with an illuminated star. This one also does come with the AMG exterior line package, which is going to give you a sportier look. 21-inch AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. Our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain gray oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, 64 color ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a touchscreen for our media display, navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with sensors. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn on heated seats."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We've got dual climate controls, a wireless charging station, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has very low mileage. It has 351 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.